Move. Move.
Watch out.
It's okay. This is plastic glass.
I need another thing.
This sucks ass. Bucket. We need bucket.
Yeah.
Sign on the ground.
Go get mom's charger. I don't have any lights on, but her computer's right there on the ground.
There's nothing we can do about it, George.
I need more.
I need. Come with me. Come with me. Just come with me.
I never would fucking do that.
Son of a. Who closed the door? Come on, let's go ahead and go outside. Give me the light. I need to record this. Look at this shit. Oh, okay. I think we shouldn't go out there right now. It could be a tornado. We can go.
Man, look what beat all that up.
It's screwed for right now. We can't do anything right now. You want to know how to lose $5,000 in 10 minutes? That sucks.
Is that light going out?
It's dim. It's not bright at all. That's how bright it is.
Well, turn it off. At least we'll have this light. Turn it off. And I just charged that motherfucker up. We need to put something on the roof.
Yeah. No, we can't do anything right
I
now.
can't get up on the roof.
I can get up on the roof.
I get tarp or some shit. We got tarps, but it's not safe to get up on the roof.
Not right now. Look at the size of that.
What the fuck are we gonna do?
George, there's nothing we can do right now. Look, what's done is done. Move that crystal glass out of the table.
Move the tape.
Move the whole table. Let George do it.
Ah, fuck.
It's okay. It's plastic. It's a plexiglass. It's not really going to do that much damage like it would be glass. Look, okay, I'm chilling here playing Red Dead. Next thing you know, all I hear is pounding. And I'm like, what the fuck is happening? And it's... Hold on, I need to see. Because our power went out, everything went out. Next thing you know, we're getting baseball-sized hail. We're getting baseball-sized hail pounding, and I'm like, oh, the windows are going to go out. My truck is destroyed. My dad's car is destroyed. Our windows are out. Rain got inside. I mean, hail like that. I'm going to keep showing y'all more stuff. I charged this goddamn thing just a few months ago, and the battery's dying.
Your brother has a piece of ice on his right here.
Okay.
And I can get it. Can you get it in just a second?
Yeah, I'll take a look at it. This is such shit.
Battered.
Yep.
There's more on that side. Like at the top right there.
Yeah, it's... The reason that it shatters like this is because it's not tempered glass.
No, cool. Well, we get the paneling on the...
But you know what? Yours are just as good, or except you're gonna have more glass inside. Then
Fucking scared the shit out of me.
Kayla's is
Yeah.
bad. Have you seen it?
No, I didn't go down there.
Look at the piece of hail got right here.
Whatever, shut up. I want from your fist. And then the front room window.
Yeah, I see that.
How far away do you live?
Alright, so
you already saw the video before this, the clip of the damage that we had. Apparently we've been labeled as a catastrophe area because we had a major hailstorm come through out of nowhere. I'm playing Red Dead Redemption, next thing you know I hear these loud thuds. Well, now it's daytime, you can see what happened. Look. Look at all the holes that went straight through it. I mean, this shit was that big. Broke all of those windows in their house. Went straight through the goddamn car. Let's see. Busted that window to shit. I can't really get to it right now. Trees destroyed. Went straight through my doghouse. I think it hurt him. That would suck. There's my truck. That window's gone. I mean, it's fucked. Dents all in it. Glass all over the place because it busted everything out. All of our cactus is gone. Pots broken in half. Plants everywhere, as we said. Can't really get up there because I'm not, obviously, you know, a LeBron, Shaqiri, Kobe, Durant. I'm not tall enough. Man, look at that. Off the roof of the house, and that's made in Mexico, and that stuff's tough. A barbecue pit. It even went through metal roof. See what else? Some crazy shit back here. Went straight through. I mean, puncture holes right through this thing. This whole place looks like crap. There's like a little garden thing, and you can see like the little holes right in it. What else? I haven't checked the side of the house, might as well. There's where it screwed up our roof earlier. Whenever I was up there last night, chimney cap is screwed up. That thing is really dented and out of focus right now. The fan cap, and it is flooded around here also. I mean, seriously, this literally came out of nowhere and just destroyed everything. Unfortunately, it didn't destroy his house. I don't even see where he has any broken windows. Banana trees are all... Oh, wait, I never did look at this. Just major dents, that's it. Shit. And it's hell. One of our wires is down also. I just noticed that it's still not fixed. Shit. That's gotta get fixed. Well, I mean, it's been reattached, but not reattached to that one. Well, I'll probably just record anything else that I find, because I mean, I'm sure that we're gonna go driving around sometime today and get something. It sucks. Just, if you ever get caught up in a storm, just shit, ants, be prepared. There we go. That's fixed. Just need some duct tape. God damn. I mean, this was right out in the elements. I mean, it was completely open. There's nothing to protect this car, and this windshield is busted in. This is like if you were to hit somebody on the side of the road. Not that I am telling you to do that and find out for yourself, but I mean, it is caved in. Let's look at the inside. There's glass everywhere. Of course, I mean, that's hanging off on the side. If you want an ass splinter of glass, come ride this car. Pelted all along the top, the hood, the back. Good news, basketball goes okay.